Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crafty Lefty. I'm Tanner and today I'm so excited to share with you guys this really awesome patchwork project, right? It's a patchwork project or a quilt block, whatever you want to call it. And also because Chinese New Year is coming and which is February 12th. So I thought that this pattern would be excellent for Chinese New Year because it is called prosperity. I know. So it's all like so connected to the Chinese New Year and I was so inspired to actually try this pattern. And of course I've used my scrap material again. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Nice? I really love it. So I tried to pick some of the scrap fabrics that kind of had an oriental look and I tried to, so actually picking my scrap fabric out was a little bit more difficult because being scrap fabric, a lot of pieces are small and stuff. So I was trying to get colors that I could actually end up getting this look, which so you can see that even though these are blue, they are of a different design. So I tried to maintain that, and this is gray, but they are of a different design. So yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome and I hope you guys like this project. So basically this video is teaching you how to piece this together. Alright, if you guys want to piece these quilt blocks or patchwork blocks, basically you can make anything out of it. You can make it any size you want. Usually they are square, but of course it's all up to you because sky's the limit to your creativity. If you want to actually sew up a quilt, usually one block like this would be like a 12-inch by 12-inch, but to be honest, you can really have it any way you like because that's the fun thing about crafts. Basically, it's all up to your creativity. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's just about piecing it together and showing you guys like how to piece the pieces together because you don't just piece it all together or in any direction. There is kind of a system to make it easier for you to sew. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, comment and share. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So please do let me know if you want maybe any help, like for the measurements or anything. Just drop, like, you can drop me an email, or you can DM my Instagram account, or you can leave a comment on this video as well. So yeah, just feel free to ask. And I hope you guys actually attempt this, or if you enjoyed watching it. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, comment and share. Until my next video, see you guys, bye!